Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this informative video about the benefits of breastfeeding for both babies and mothers. In today's society, there are a variety of feeding options available for infants, but breastfeeding remains the most natural and beneficial method for both the baby and the mother. In this video, we will explore the many advantages of breastfeeding and discuss why it is important for mothers to consider this option for their babies. In Islam, breastfeeding is highly encouraged and considered to be the ideal form of nourishment for infants. The Quran and Hadiths, the sayings and actions of the Prophet Muhammad emphasize the importance of breastfeeding for the child's health and well-being. The Quran recommends that mothers breastfeed their children for 2 complete years if possible. However, Islam also recognizes that not all mothers may be able to breastfeed, and it allows for alternatives like wet nursing or formula feeding when necessary. Breastfeeding in Islam is not only about nourishment but also about building a strong emotional bond between the mother and child. Additionally, it has implications in Islamic law regarding matters like inheritance and marriage, as breastfeeding can establish a kinship known as milk kinship or radha'a. This kinship creates a familial relationship between the child and the breastfeeding mother, as well as her relatives, and can affect marriage eligibility in the future. Breast milk is a nutrient-rich substance that serves as the ideal food source for babies in their first 6 months. It contains essential proteins for growth, healthy fats for brain development, sugars for energy, and various vitamins and minerals for overall well-being. The unique composition of breast milk supports the baby's immune system and fosters a healthy start in life. In summary, breast milk offers a comprehensive range of nutrients required for a baby's optimal growth and development. Breast milk, particularly colostrum, plays a crucial role in strengthening a baby's immune system. Colostrum, the first milk produced by a mother, is abundant in antibodies that protect the infant from various viruses and bacteria. These antibodies help build the baby's immune defenses, enabling them to fight off infections more effectively. By providing essential immune-boosting components, breast milk supports the baby's overall health and reduces their susceptibility to illnesses. Breastfed babies generally experience better health outcomes compared to formula-fed infants. This is because breast milk contains antibodies and other immune-boosting components that help protect them against infections, diarrhea, and respiratory illnesses. As a result, breastfed infants tend to have fewer instances of these conditions and often recover more quickly when they do fall ill. In summary, breastfeeding promotes healthy growth and development by reducing the likelihood of common childhood ailments. Long-term breastfeeding has been linked to a decreased risk of developing various chronic conditions later in life. Studies have shown that breastfed children have a lower likelihood of becoming obese, which can be attributed to the healthy balance of nutrients in breast milk. Additionally, breastfeeding has been connected to a reduced risk of type 1 diabetes, possibly due to the protective effects of certain components in the milk. Moreover, some research suggests that breastfeeding may also lower the chances of developing specific types of leukemia. Overall, breastfeeding offers numerous long-term health benefits that contribute to a child's well-being throughout their life. Breast milk is more easily digested than formula, making it an ideal food for newborns with their still developing digestive systems. The proteins and fats in breast milk are specially designed to be broken down and absorbed efficiently by the infant's gut. This easy digestibility reduces the likelihood of digestive issues, such as constipation or gas, which can be more common in formula-fed babies. In summary, breast milk's composition is uniquely suited to meet the needs of a newborn's immature digestive system, promoting optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. Breastfeeding facilitates bonding between the mother and baby by fostering physical closeness and allowing for eye contact. This intimate connection helps the infant feel secure and loved, which is vital for their emotional well-being. The bonding experience also has a positive impact on the baby's brain development, as it promotes the release of hormones like oxytocin, which encourages feelings of attachment and love. In essence, breastfeeding not only provides vital nutrients but also plays a significant role in nurturing a strong emotional bond between the mother and baby, contributing to the child's overall development. Breastfeeding offers numerous benefits for both the baby and the mother, including promoting a faster recovery after birth. When a mother breastfeeds, her body releases the hormone oxytocin, which stimulates uterine contractions. These contractions help the uterus return to its pre-pregnancy size more quickly, aiding in the recovery process. Additionally, breastfeeding can help reduce postpartum bleeding by encouraging these contractions, which work to close off blood vessels at the site of the placenta. Overall, breastfeeding not only benefits the baby's health and development but also supports the mother's postpartum healing and well-being. Breastfeeding can be beneficial for mothers looking to lose pregnancy weight, as it naturally burns extra calories. The process of producing breast milk requires significant energy, which leads to increased calorie expenditure. As a result, breastfeeding mothers often find it easier to shed excess weight gained during pregnancy. By supporting healthy weight loss while still providing essential nutrients for both mother and child, breastfeeding offers an efficient way to return to pre-pregnancy weight while nurturing a growing baby. Breastfeeding is linked to a reduced risk of several health problems for mothers. Studies have shown that women who breastfeed are less likely to experience postnatal depression, possibly due to hormonal changes and the emotional bonding that occurs during nursing. Additionally, breastfeeding has been associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes, as it improves glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Furthermore, research suggests that women who breastfeed have a decreased risk of certain types of breast and ovarian cancer, which may be attributed to hormonal changes or the shedding of breast tissue during lactation. Overall, breastfeeding offers significant long-term health benefits for mothers. Breastfeeding offers unparalleled convenience and cost-effectiveness for mothers and their babies. Breast milk is consistently available, eliminating the need to prepare or purchase formula. Additionally, it is always at the ideal temperature for the baby, removing the hassle of warming or cooling the milk. This natural and convenient method of feeding not only saves time but also significantly reduces expenses, as breast milk is free. In summary, breastfeeding is a practical and budget-friendly choice that provides optimal nutrition for infants. Babies who are not breastfed may face an increased risk of developing specific health issues, as they miss out on the protective components found in breast milk. These infants are more susceptible to ear infections, as they lack the antibodies that help prevent bacterial and viral infections. Babies who are not breastfed face an increased risk of developing chronic diseases later in life. One such risk is obesity, as formula-fed infants may not receive the same balanced nutrient composition as those who are breastfed, which could lead to unhealthy weight gain. Additionally, these babies have a higher likelihood of developing type 1 diabetes, possibly due to missing out on protective factors present in breast milk. Furthermore, research has shown that children who were not breastfed may have a greater risk of certain types of leukemia. In summary, the absence of breastfeeding can have long-term health implications, increasing the risk of various chronic conditions in the child's life. There is evidence to suggest that babies who are fed formula based on cow's milk may face a higher risk of developing an allergy to cow's milk. Unlike breast milk, which is uniquely tailored to meet an infant's nutritional and immunological needs, cow's milk-based formulas may contain proteins that are foreign to the baby's immune system. As a result, some infants might develop an immune response to these proteins, leading to an allergy. In contrast, breastfed babies receive natural protection against allergies through the antibodies and other immune-boosting components in breast milk. Overall, breastfeeding may help reduce the risk of developing milk allergies compared to formula feeding with cow's milk-based products. Formula-fed babies may experience more digestive issues compared to breastfed infants, as formula can be harder to digest than breast milk. This difficulty in digestion can result in discomfort, gas, and constipation. Breast milk, on the other hand, contains proteins and fats that are specifically designed for easy digestion, making it a more suitable option for a baby's developing digestive system. However, it's important to note that while breastfeeding has many advantages, not all mothers are able or choose to breastfeed. In such cases, infant formula is a safe alternative. A health professional can provide advice on how to ensure both the mother and baby stay healthy. Thank you for watching this video about the benefits of breastfeeding. As we have discussed, breastfeeding provides numerous health benefits for both the baby and the mother. Breast milk is a natural and complete source of nutrition for infants, and it contains antibodies that help protect them from infections and diseases. Additionally, breastfeeding can benefit the mother by promoting a quicker recovery after childbirth and reducing the risk of certain health problems. If you are a new mother, we encourage you to consider breastfeeding as a healthy and beneficial feeding option for your baby. Remember, Milk Factory is open 24/7 and always here to support you in your breastfeeding journey.